Hey, what's up, guys? I'll go here with Enthusiast Trader. Today, I'll be discussing the trades that I took on October 1st and also some of the trade ideas for October 2nd. So let's get right into it. We see the sprites put in a doji red day, staying between the resistance and the support levels here at 338 and 332, which is fine. We're looking for this to consolidate here sideways before it could go higher. The Qs, on the other hand, put in a doji green bar, breaking the previous resistance, so this has room to go higher. Looking at the small caps IWM also put in a nice green candle, but there's a 50-day period moving average right above it, so careful getting into any long positions tomorrow. Wait for a confirmation for this to break above the 50-day period moving average. Let's review some of the trades that I took today. I took SAGE this morning on this breakout here at 61.40, but it unfortunately did not go in my favor, so this stopped out. Next up, the second trade that I took was Momo, MOMO. I liked how this was a reversal here on the downward trend with igniting volume yesterday. So today it really uh, started to move higher. I got this at the 1440, like somewhere here. I should have really gotten it somewhere here, 1410. In any case, I traded this all the way up to 1477 and then got out as it was falling. Um, Next up, the trade I took was Twitter. Twitter, I got this on this breakout here on the daily at 45.47 with a stop right here at 45.14 or 45.12. My target was 46.20. I got out at 46, which is fine. Next up was Etsy. Etsy, I like this, how it was showing relative strength to the market when the market was, falling. This was really ripping higher. So I got Etsy on this 3-bar play, igniting bar, resting bar, and then rip. So I got this at $26. I should have gotten it at $25.50, but I got it at 26 with my target at 28. I'm sorry, not 26. Etsy 126. I got in at 126 with a target at 128, but I got out at 127. Don't know why, but I did got out earlier. So that's it for the day trades today. I took 4, 3 worked in my favor, 1 did not. Um, so, but but in any case, I made about 0.7 R today. Uh, should have made it a lot more. So about 200 bucks day trading. But I should have made a lot more because of my trades that worked in my favor. Next up, the trades that I opened swing for today was Tesla. I opened Tesla because of this consolidation here. I like the breakout, so I got in Tesla at 443. However, when it was starting to trend higher, however, this is selling off in the post market. I think there's some news that it was not included in the S&P 500, which is fine. But I think this can really make a move higher to at least 500 in the coming days. Some of the positions that I closed today was LEN. Um, this was looking really strong, but I got out of LEN at 81.75 just because I wanted to, shave off some of the positions that I have. Next up that I got out was Apple. Apple, I got at 116, 116.21 is where I got out at Apple. Again, same scenario. I wanted to shave off some of my long positions. I got out of NVDA yesterday at 543.36 also. Um, CRUS, this one, I got out of this yesterday at 66. Today, again, it did a really nice job. It went all the way up to the 50-day period moving average. What is the 200? Yep, 200 period moving average, and then it consolidated lower. So this one was really nice. I should have waited till it hit this around 68, 50, somewhere around that, but I got out early. I think UPS also I got out, but this is trading lower. One of the stocks that I'm in is ULOW, Lowe's. I am in this from $170, still holding this. I'm holding Tesla, I'm holding Amazon, which is looking really nice right now. This could, move higher in the coming days. Also, the last one I'm holding is RH. RH put in a red day, but that's okay because it's consolidating sideways for this to move higher. So that's it, guys, for my swing trades for today. Let's review some of the trades that we talked about yesterday. But we did not, or I did not take, um, is CRWD. So CRWD, I like, same wedge pattern here. I wanted to get in at 140. I don't know why I did not get in. Did not get in. And D-Dog also I talked about getting in at 103. Again, I like how this igniting volume, and this can move higher in the coming days. But again, I did not get in this trade. All right. The ones that I like for tomorrow are, first up is KIRK, CAKE. Again, this consolidate, this wedge breakout. So if this can, move higher tomorrow or show some relative strength, I am a buyer of KIRK, CAKE. CGen, I like this how this is hitting this pivot with the ROC close to zero, but the volume on this is a concern. It doesn't trade a lot of shares, so careful on CGen. Lizzie, I like Lizzie because it was sold off heavy. It was sold off heavy, and yesterday we got to ignite. This is on. This is an ending move with igniting uh, volume, right? So look at the volume that it did yesterday, and today it put in a green day. So tomorrow, if this breaks this wedge right here at 275, I am a buyer of. Uh, sorry. So I am a buyer of Lizzie above this, above the high of this day. So if Lizzie can, break this, I am looking to get into Lizzie. Look, there was an igniting move here. Let's see what it did after that igniting move. Well, that was when it IPO'd, so never mind. So after the IPO, it sold off heavy. Um, but basically, this looks really good. For at least for this to go back to $4, so we could make double our money on Lizzie. Easy, not easy, but you know what I mean. All right, next up is KIRK, KIRK. I like this one because it was consolidating sideways, and it was breaking out. So I wanted to get in at $9. I did not get in, but I'm looking to get into this tomorrow if this does not go up too much. This has easy room to go to 983. This one is one of my favorite watches for tomorrow, KIRK. Next up is SIG. SIG is also one of my favorite watches for tomorrow. If this can break 1960, I'm a buyer of SIG. So SIG, KIRK, and Lizzie are my favorite ideas for tomorrow. Last but not the least is CSOD. CSOD. I like this consolidation. The volume is a concern, but I wanted to, kind of get in right here at 35. I did not, but this has room to go back to $40. So if this shows strength tomorrow, I may get into this stock. All right, guys, that's it for now. If you like my trade reviews and you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let me know in the comments if there your thoughts, any questions, concerns, or if I totally suck, you could say that as well. If you want to trade along with us, let me know, and I will send you a link to our Discord channel. And make sure to hit the like button on the video and subscribe to our channel if you already done so. All right, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow.